Today we're going to assemble the VIPEK R2 rolling garment rack. Let's find the lower pole first. Look, this is the screw hole. It's always attached to the lower pole. Screw the casters onto the bottom of the lower poles. Figure out the joint to which the plastic clips are attached. Look at the arrow and install the plastic clips as pointed. Ensure the protrusion lines in the clips align with the grooves in the poles. The 4 pairs of plastic clips need to be attached at the same height. Attach the 4 lower poles to the wire shelf. Look at the logo, VIPEK. That's the correct direction of installation. Insert the lower poles through the sleeves like this. Erect it. And then you can press down on the corners of the wire shelf with your poles. Time to install middle poles. One end is hollow and another end is attached with a silver connector. Hold the middle pole tightly and rotate it clockwise. Now let's install the middle shelf. Put the 4 pairs of clips at the same height. Install the wire shelf, ensuring it's parallel to the floor. Then slide it down slowly. It's time to install the upper poles. One end is attached with a silver connector and the other end is sealed. Hold the upper pole tightly and rotate it clockwise. Let's continue to assemble the 2 rows of side hooks. First, let's install the 4 pairs of clips. At least 7 joints should be earmarked between the plastic clips and the top of the pole. The side hooks should be pointed outwards like this. However, if you're adding a cover, install the poles pointing inward. Keep the side hooks parallel to the floor and then slowly slide them down. Install the 4 pairs of plastic clips and attach the wire shelf on the top. Let's go on to attach the clothes hanging rope. Pay attention to the direction of the hook. Partially tighten the hook to the clothes hanger rope. Hand them to the wire shelf and then tighten both screws. Install another hanger rod and it's done!